E is for apple, juicy and red.
Apple!
A says, ah, that's what I said.
A apple!
Let's crunch it up, crunch, crunch, crunch. The best little snack in my lunch.
B is for ball, watch it go.
BB ball!
Bounce it high and bounce it low.
BB ball!
Let's bounce together, 1, 2, 3.
Bounce like a ball, just like me.
C is for cat with a happy purr.
Singing cat!
Pet the kitty, soft, soft fur.
Singing cat!
She says meow and she walks so cool. C is the coolest at our school. A, B, C, D, E. Sing it out loud for everyone to see. A, B, C, D, E. Give a high five for you and me.
D is for duck swimming in the pond.
Dee duck!
Of the water he is very fond.
Dee duck!
He says quack, quack, and shakes his tail, swimming like a little yellow sail.